Hey, good morning everybody. This is Kent Teslow here at Optimum RV. Today we're going to take a look at the Braxton Creek. We've got the 24 RV. Looks like there's a small outdoor kitchen area or storage. Let's have a look inside. So here we have the bed. Two little wardrobe areas on the side, storage up top. We have a tri-fold sofa here. Looks like actually a jackknife, my apologies. And we have a booth area here. And the RB stands for rear bath. Good storage area for your shoes. Plenty of storage up top. We're using Dometic appliances and a high point microwave. Single AC in this unit. There's your refrigerator. Lots of storage here. This one actually has a bathtub. So yeah, this is the 24 RB by Braxton Creek.